Dog bites can lead to serious personal injury claims due to their potential for severe physical and emotional harm. Victims may face medical bills, lost wages, and trauma, necessitating legal action. Liability often falls on the dog owner, but laws vary by location. Key considerations include the dog's history and local leash laws. Quick legal consultation is advised to understand rights and compensation entitlements. For more information and a free consultation, please call at 225-963-9638 or visit us online at bigriverlaw.com.